All right. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. My name is Odum. Today is Thursday morning, and we're going to jump right in and talk about our Google Ads, which we set up our Google Ads campaign yesterday to try to attract people to our Pixel Pieces website, which of course is the application that we built, which is a Webflow component template library, which we are going to use to hopefully get us to that $1 million mark, which is what we're trying to do here. Of course, build a $1 million company. Okay, so there's an issue. So I got this notice last night that, or this morning, I guess, when I woke up, it came through last night, that there's some kind of issue with using the word Webflow in a campaign because of trademark issues, which is really strange. So anyways, so let's take a look. So the trademark and ad text. So it says contains Webflow, and the country is restricted in the United States. So it doesn't meet reseller informational site requirements, which is okay. So I guess it's it's a trademarked word that I can't use. So what does it say here? Google provides translated for blah, blah, blah. We abide by local trademark laws and protect the rights of trademark owners, so we don't allow ads that infringe trademark rights. However, advertisers may use trademarks that belong to others in certain situations as described below, such as when they are identifying a product that they resell. Right. A trademark must be used in the ad and not only on the ad's landing page. Where in the ad the trademark is used. Okay. We will not restrict use of trademarks as keywords. Okay. Trademarks that are used in the second level domain of the ad's display. Okay. That makes sense. From a direct. So I'm not a competitor. Am I misleading? I don't think so. If the landing page of the ad using the trademark is primarily dedicated to selling products or services, components, which is kind of what we're selling, replacement parts and compatible services corresponding to the trademark. The ad's landing page must clearly provide a way to purchase the products or services and display commercial information about them, such as rates or prices. The ad and landing page must be clear as to whether the advertiser is a reseller or informational site. If the primary purpose of the landing page of the ad using the trademark is to provide informative details about the products or services corresponding to the trademark, or an index of search results related to the trademark. Right. Okay. Appeal a trademark's policy restriction. So should we appeal this? So maybe what we need to do, let's edit this thing. So there's actually one other thing too that I wanted to kind of talk about. So let's go back to how this thing is performing. So far we've had 17 clicks out of 239 impressions. But one thing is really strange. So if I look at my analytics platform, and this is just for today, it says there's been 163 visitors on the site, which is interesting, all coming from, I guess, AdSense from here. But if I also look at Mixpanel, there's a whole bunch of different people coming in. Some of them are from the same device, I think, is what it looks like. Kevin, how's it going? Good morning. Just trying to sort through some of the data that we got going on here. And I don't know, I feel like there's some fishiness going on here. I'm not sure. So basically, so Google is saying that the ad was clicked on 17 times, but I have way more than 17 visitors that have come onto the homepage. And there's also an interesting thing in terms of what the country of where these people are coming from. They're exactly from all the places that I never said to display the ad on. Because I think we specifically put in the ad only Canada, United States, and Mexico City. That was it. So why are we getting all these clicks from all these places that are not there? And they're also all on Android. Well, I guess there's a couple here on iOS. So I don't know. Very interesting. It's very interesting. I don't know what to make. I don't know how to make sense of this just yet. And I think we need to do some updating on Mixpanel as well. So if we can figure out how to track where a user is going when they come to the site, I guess based on the device, which is the distinct ID. So that'll be interesting. But let's first fix this kind of copyright issue I guess we're having with this ad. Or sorry, not a copyright, trademark issue. Okay. So, right. So view details. So the ad text. So I think we can have WEBFLOW within the headline in the ad text, right? Not the headline, right? We will not restrict use of trademarks as keywords. Oh, but keywords is different. Keywords is still headline. Okay, you know what we can do? Because the trademark is only being violated, I think, in the United States. So let's take a look at this ad, and where can we like edit this thing? I want to edit the location of where it's going to be displayed. Also, can I give me a new tab here? Let me go onto Google just for a second here. Let me type in WEBFLOW components. So WEBFLOW, Flowbase. Okay, so they use WEBFLOW components. Reloom library, access the world's largest WEBFLOW component library. But the world's largest WEBFLOW library. Flowponent. Actually, never heard of these guys. Clonable UI components in WEBFLOW. So these guys are using the word WEBFLOW in their ads. Actually, are these ads? I don't even know if these are ads so much. Oh, it's not even clear. These might not even be ads, are they? These could just be... What could it be? This could just be their metadata, right? Let's have a quick look here if we can have a look at what their tags are. Content, meta stuff over here. Yeah, so that's just in the meta. So we should probably actually look at our meta stuff for our website. Right, because that's not necessarily an ad. Right. And I also think because I'm using Brave that no ads are showing up. So let me try a Chrome browser. Oh, this has ads. Maybe this WEBFLOW component library. Yeah, it's not showing which ones are ads. I guess there's no ads showing up. Ugh. Okay, so here's sponsored right here. I guess it's just the WEBFLOW sponsoring their own. And these ones are not sponsored. Oh, here's a sponsored one. Okay, so here's some sponsored ones. Juice Agency, we're a WEBFLOW agency. Get started now. Work with the best WEBFLOW agency. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's go back here. Can we click? Okay, what the hell? I don't want to. Let's click on the campaign. Can I appeal policy decision? I don't know if that makes any sense to appeal the decision. but I want to change where this ad is displayed on. Now, where can I do that? Like change ads. No. Change custom parameters. Okay, no. And this is just going to edit the ad itself. Okay, that's the preview of the ad. Images. Add URL. Why doesn't it allow me? Maybe it's under the campaign. Okay, here we go. So let's edit the right, because the campaign is different than the ad. Like the campaign can run multiple ads, right? Okay. So let's remove this one from the United States. Okay. Okay, no, I want them to be actually in this location. Yes, continue. This is the networks. Okay, we'll save that as is. And it still says here, all ads limited by policy. I'm clicking on this, but nothing's happening. Campaign budget simulator. So ad groups, we haven't. So should I try creating another ad? I feel like I should be okay to run this. Because I'm not a direct competitor. I'm not Flowbase. And I'm not deceptive or misleading. Like I'm selling products and services or components that's compatible with the product. And you could purchase, information. Like I feel like I'm pretty clear. I mean, maybe I need to talk WEBFLOW more in here. Easily cut and paste like WEBFLOW components. I don't know. Maybe I need to throw more WEBFLOW into my actual text here as well. And that may be just, that's just I think it's just a search engine optimization thing that I should probably just kind of do so I can get up in the rankings when people type in like WEBFLOW components. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. I mean, should I appeal? What does it say if I click appeal? Fix any policy file before you appeal a policy decision. The ad status won't change during the review file. Once the review is complete, all ads that comply with Google ad policy will be approved. This option is currently only available for some ad types. Okay, to submit an appeal, what does it say? An appeal form. Let us know your appeal reason. Ads are limited due to trademarks policy, but you can determine Chrome. not Google Chrome. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like. I don't know. Okay, this notification. What is this? Okay, close all that garbage. That's so weird that you can't use. Well, I guess if it's trademarked, I guess. Google AdWords using trademark words. Google will only accept trademark complaints against specific advertisers and/or ads. So go into effect worldwide on July 21st. Google said this will policy update. Well, policy should make resolutions faster. All ads in the entire industry can be restricted from using trademark material when complaints are filed. And overflagging and industry-wide blocks causing major problems. Yeah. I could see how this could be a problem if somebody uses the name of their competitor and they put that in the ad. So then they just kind of flag everything. But I'm not a competitor. Like, I'm not trying to get people away from WEBFLOW or WEBFLOW. And like, in fact, it's the opposite. Like, I need you to be on WEBFLOW in order for my business to actually make business, right? All right. So how to navigate the Google trademark infringement process. Is your business trying to competitors and other using your brand name? Okay, that's different. Filing a trademark. You can also authorize specific Google Ads accounts to use your trademark. Right, okay. If they are authorized. That is not relevant to the goods or service corresponding to the trademark term. Oh, man. This is complicated. It's like I feel like I need to have a stupid lawyer for all this kind of stuff. Let's see. How to work around campaign trademark violations. Okay, let's see what this video says.
Okay, on today's video, I am actually going to cover trademark issues as it pertains to Google ad accounts that you may be running and had run into an actual dreaded trademark issue, i.e. you got an email from Google saying that your ads are disapproved and you got it and for reasons of violating trademark. So I'm going to go into what that is, how to deal with it, potential workarounds, and the workarounds aren't going to be, you know, stupid like, just do another ad here. I'm going to give you real strategies I use to work around these issues all the time. And you can take that information and have a much better result for yourself in the situation that you're in, learning how to deal with it. For a lot of other people, you're trying to deal with your ads and you don't know what to do. You're in a situation where you can't not use the trademark in the ad. I got explanations of what to do then. There's false positives that people are having. You can't wonder, there's no trademark here. What, like, Corey, you know, what the heck do I do here? There's no reason why they should disapprove my ad. I'm also going to go over and explain that as well, if that's you as well. Okay, here. So how to work around campaign trademark violations on Google Ads. As usual in my videos here, I have a short list of things to cover, things to do and not do, how to work around the issues, how to make as much money as you can with having a trademark issue, to deal with it, and how to be able to go from where you're at now to resolution of the issue as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So anyway, the first thing on my list here are the reasons why that you get an actual trademark violation on Google in the first place, right? First issue is you're making a competitor's campaigns ad. So what I mean by competitor campaigns.
Yeah, that's not what I'm doing. Hey. Are you drawing anything? Yeah, I know.
Is actually just what I call campaigns. So there's certain campaigns and I have videos about this where, and a lot of people are going to call me an a-hole for doing this, but that's their own opinion. There's nothing against the rules to do it, where my competitors, or for whatever client that I'm representing, will make a list of all their competitors' product names, trade names, corporate names, domain names, and we'll have our ad show up when you type in those keywords of our competitors that represents those 4 categories there roughly. So that our ad shows up at the very top, so that we can siphon off traffic for people who maybe they got a referral to go to that site, they typed it in, and now we can redirect them to our site, get their attention. A lot of times what we're doing there is we're saying, don't go with their product. Ours is 3 times better. People who switch will spice it up even more. People who switch will do this also as well.
Okay, it's way too long. Use a trademark in the description instead of the headline. Trademark symbols. Add a disclaimer. If your ads are running fine despite being eligible but limited, you can ignore it and let it run. Okay, which is kind of what is happening to me. If you have used a trademark, remove it from the ad copy and try running. Google support. What can you do? Boy, there's lots here to read. I mean, how could I make an ad for selling WEBFLOW component services without using the word WEBFLOW? Okay. Maybe I'm going to try. Oh, God, I don't know. Let me see. You can't imagine that others don't use it. Yeah, how could they use it, not use the word WEBFLOW? Well, I guess it's if they don't like advertise on Google Ads, like on the actual platform. But I imagine they do some advertising. But I don't know. I can't really tell. I mean, I guess if I go into here and just type in, Reloom library, see if there's, yeah, so this is a sponsored ad right here. So, and I guess whatever, that's their keyword. And yeah, Reloom library, access the world's largest library of Figma and WEBFLOW components. So I would imagine, again, Figma would be another keyword that you would imagine would be trademarked. And they got Figma library, WEBFLOW library. But this isn't, I'm in Canada though. So Canada, it said that this trademark issue was only in the United States. So I wonder if I can, Kevin, you're in the US. Can you do a quick search for Reloom library and see if you get a Google ad for Reloom and if it shows up with any like Webflow in the word or in the text? Like if you get this ad to display. And I don't have a VPN on here. And I don't know if I went on a VPN right now, I don't know what that would do, if that would kick me out of, or maybe I do have isn't there a built-in VPN in Brave? Yeah, there is. Let's give that a try. Okay, let's open up. What do I want to do here? I don't know if I can VPN in this one. Okay, let's try. You didn't get any sponsored listings, eh? Interesting. So I wonder if it is a. I'll start free trial. Oh, I gotta buy it. Of course, I gotta buy it. I think I have a VPN on my phone. Hang on a second. I'm just gonna try one thing here. So okay, and I have it on my. I have it like. Why do I have a VPN like every other computer except for this one? I don't know. I don't know why. Where are you? Where are you? Oh shit! It's not on this phone. It's in my other phone. It's in my other burner phone. Not a burner phone, but just a phone that doesn't have a SIM card. Crap. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna try to create a campaign just for Canada, and then we'll see if that's going to if they're going to have any issues with using the word Webflow. So I wonder, because yeah, so this one here, if we show more details, additional like EU only, decision type Google investigation. There was somewhere that I saw, I don't know if it was in my email, that was saying that was only in America. Let me just check here real quick. Only in America. Text contains Webflow, destination not working. Destination not working. That's what the hell? Pixel pieces. Oh, this is. Oh, pixel pieces express interest. What the hell? This is a different. How many different campaigns do I have? This actual error was from disapproved from this campaign. Oh my goodness. Oh, right. I didn't start this one. How do I just delete this? More settings. Okay, I want to delete this thing. I can't select it. If this is selected, can I delete this one? I could remove it. Okay, forget this. I'm just wasting time here. Okay. Not recommendations, campaigns. Let's create a new campaign. All right. Again, we just want website traffic. No goals. Just search. Select the ways you'd like to reach your goals. What is this? I guess I'll just put in my website. Pixelpieces.com. Campaign name. Canada, whatever. Canada WEBFLOW campaign. I want to focus on clicks, maximum cost, 50 cents per click. No optimizing for that. So just in Canada, just English. Select audience segments. Web design and development. What does this mean? Let's actually clear this because I'm not sure exactly what this does. So let's just not segment it right now. Automatically create assets. No. What's this? More settings. All right. Let's go next. Okay. So yeah, keywords. Can we... I'm going to open up another tab here. Let's go back to our AdSense. See if we can just open up our current campaign and just take those, just edit those keywords. Or just copy and paste them. Yeah, they're right here. Okay. Let's copy. Do they need to be in one line? I feel like they might need to be on one line. Okay. Display path. No, that's fine. Okay. And what did we have for our headlines? Free WEBFLOW components. Oops. WEBFLOW component library. And build amazing WEBFLOW websites. Okay. What else did I have? Kind of like something like this. Well, this is actually good. Free WEBFLOW component library. I like that. In fact, it's better than that one. And again, I truly don't think that this is a violation of trademark policies, because again, I'm not trying to get people away from WEBFLOW. I'm not competing. Good morning, Gaonil. Not sure how to pronounce that. Yeah, you could ask me some questions. Fire away. Ask me anything and everything. Happy to answer if I can. Okay. Oh, it's pulling ideas here from my website, which is kind of cool. It'd almost be nice to see kind of what everyone else is doing in kind of those searches that we had, talking about WEBFLOW component library. Build custom blogs, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I don't want to. I don't want to do the same thing that other people are doing. Let's not look at that. Let's try something like this. And let's say build beautiful and professional websites fast using our growing library of WEBFLOW components. Using quality crafted WEBFLOW components. So I have an issue with Google Ads. I already spent $400 and getting one conversion, which wasn't tracked by Google. And I do not know what is wrong. So there's a few things to say. Number one, I've used Google Ads before in the past, sparingly on a few projects here and there. So I am certainly not an expert on Google Ads. In fact, I am just still trying to figure this thing out myself right now on how I can use this thing effectively to actually get real leads. Like you're saying, spending, like I think if you spend I also don't even know what your product is. So what is your product and what is it that you're selling and where are people going? And, you know, are you selling a $10,000 product? Then $400 might not seem like a big spend, but if it's a $20 product, spending $400, yeah, obviously there's something wrong there. So unless I can kind of see more of what you're selling and what you're doing, I don't know how much advice I can give on it, especially considering the fact that I am not a Google Ads expert, that I'm learning here. Hopefully, you know, if you come back in a couple weeks after like every day I look into this and try to figure out these campaigns, figure out how it works, that'll help. Because it seems right now I'm having some really weird issues where I'm running the campaign, or I just started this campaign, and it looks like I'm getting bots or something that are coming from Google, which is very, very strange. And I definitely don't like that, and I don't want that either. So I'm having issues as well. So maybe we can help each other. But yeah, if you want to send me any details again of like what it is that you're trying to promote, and then I guess we can kind of go from there. And even having a look at what your ads are and how they're set up. Like it's very difficult to say without being able to see everything here. Yeah, for the bots, you have to exclude some countries like Singapore, Nigeria. Yeah, but the thing is I actually did. So I set it specifically to only target people in Canada, United States, and Mexico City. And if I look at some of my tracking, I see here all the people from yesterday when I started. They're coming in Indonesia, Iraq, Pakistan, Algeria, Morocco, like Cambodia, and there's one from the United States, Nepal. Like it's all, like I don't know what's going on. Even though I specifically said in the ads not to run it anywhere other than these places. So something weird's going on. And it's weird. Like if you're giving Google money and you say, only run my ads in this place, and the people are coming from all kinds of other places, then there's an issue going on here. And I don't like that. I definitely don't like paying for something for Google and it not being reputable or not getting what you paid for, right? So it's interesting. Google has a thing where you will refund you via your facturation, the bots clicks. So I think you're just kind of saying in there that you can potentially get a refund if you are getting bot clicks. Maybe not all of them, but some. Yeah, and I don't even know what the process would be to even try to get that kind of a refund, and even to try to prove that those clicks are bots. It's very strange. But even on my analytics, I'm getting a huge amount of traffic, over 150, even though that through my analytics, through Google, they're only saying that there was 17 people that clicked on the ads. So there is something fishy going on. And I had a bunch of people sign up. I had 4 people that signed up for my free trial here. But they even did it. They even kind of went backdoor. They even went to sign up on Pixel Pieces without actually getting a membership. So something is off. Something is really, really fishy. Where in my member stack, they weren't actually put into either a free plan or the paid plan. So which leads me to believe that somehow, some script or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So it's just very strange. And I think at the end of the day, this leads me to, I really need to focus 100%, which I am doing, but like organic traffic and real growth, right? Starting my YouTube channel, teaching people how to use WEBFLOW, getting known as a WEBFLOW expert, whatever, slowly but surely building that brand awareness for Pixel Pieces. That's going to be way better than just trying to pay and artificially grow. So anyways, all right. So, okay, we got this stuff. So saying add headlines. I don't think I need to add more headlines. So it likes the descriptions. We can add the business name. Pixel Pieces. And yeah, we do want to have site links as well too. So let's create a site link. And we're going to put this site link here. Oh, that's just the text. Component pricing, something like that. What did we put for this one? Let's edit this just so we can kind of see what we have. Oh, right. That's kind of good. I kind of like this. One payment, lifetime access. And goodbye subscription fees. Oh. Oh, I like that. Let's create that one. And then we also want to create this last one here onto components. Component library. Growing library of WEBFLOW components. I think access library of access. Here we go. Access quality WEBFLOW components. All right, let's create that one. Oh, we need 2 lines. That's annoying. Let's see what we got here. So view, what did I cut? Our fill. Whoops, I should say full. View our full full component. I think something like this. And then enjoy lifetime access with 1 payment. That's too long. Put that there. Even just something like this. I think we'll capitalize every letter here. I don't know why one payment is. One payment, lifetime access. Okay. Create that. So add Pinterest to your marketing strategy. The traffic there is good. I already have 80,000 impressions via pins on there. That's amazing. Awesome. Congrats. Digital products work well on Pinterest. So I don't use, like, I've never used Pinterest. I know my wife uses Pinterest. And I've never really gone on it. I think it comes up if I search for images or what have you. And then I've never even created an account. At least I don't. I'm pretty sure I don't. Maybe I have. I don't. Anyways, I never use it. So I don't know Pinterest very well. So I would have to learn about it first before I figure out how to actually use it. So my goal of what I'm trying to do here is focus on one or two things that I know I can get good at, and just try to like master those before I try to branch out into all those different things. But that's really good to know. And I think for other people that are listening or watch this, maybe into the future, that, kind of try to pick the social media platform that you think would work well in your niche and that gives you some really good results, and just kind of stick with that. So use Google Trends to have the better title and keywords related to your business and have more impressions and clicks. That's a really good tool to use as well. And I think I do remember I've used the tool before when I was running another campaign, which was, I think it was right before Christmas, where I was trying to get people to come in to be beta testers for Pixel Pieces. And using that was pretty good. And I liked it too because I was looking at the trend for WEBFLOW and how WEBFLOW was kind of on the up and up, where other tools were kind of going down. So it was kind of clear showing how WEBFLOW was getting a little bit more market share, I guess you can say, in terms of, I guess in the space, in terms of like how to build a website space, which is cool. I want to edit this too. I have component pricing. I think, oops. Goodbye. Subscription pricing. I'm just going to go, I'm going to go component pricing, save, and then I'm going to go just WEBFLOW component library. So I'm very curious to know what your product is and what you've done on Pinterest that have gotten you those many impressions, because that's a lot, like over 1 million impressions. Okay, so it says make headlines unique. Choose up to 15 headlines. Maybe you could try something like build your website today, like fast. Doesn't seem like it's really that unique. Add headlines and make headlines unique. New WEBFLOW component library. So I know beautiful websites made easy. There's no get started. I think, do we have free? We do have free here. We'll stick with this for now. Okay. Yeah, let's stick with this for now. Yeah, budget. Okay, $50 a day. What a weird $50.04. Just 50 on the nose. Okay, next. To keep data safe, please confirm it's really you. Okay, I guess I can do that. Right, I think we did this yesterday. Yes, it's me. There we go. Checking for errors. Initial pixel awareness. This isn't the campaign. Huh. That was the one I wanted to delete. Oh well. Let's wait for it to do its thing here. It's I don't know if it's hanging or whatever is going on here. This is annoying. Let's use this other tab here, see what's going on. Yeah, it's saying initial pixel awareness. That's not what I named it. I'm pretty sure I named it. Do I have to like go back and rewind? I'm pretty sure it said something like, you know, campaign Canada or something like that. Oh God, something's wrong. This is not right. Okay, this is not the right okay, what the hell? Okay. All right. Something happened. Let's see if we can. And this goal purchases, this isn't. What is going on here? Punctuations. Oh, it doesn't like punctuations. Okay, so let's get rid of that, I guess. Okay, this is Canada only WEBFLOW campaign. And it's just Canada. Budget is $50 a day. And did I set where do I set how much I want to charge per click? That needs to be somewhere as well. Yeah, that's the, oh God, what the hell? Yeah, that's the ad. All right. I don't know. Let's publish this, see if this goes. And then we could see, let's see if we can edit the budget. Okay, so now it's got to do this whole thing again where it's going to review everything. Okay, and this should just be in Canada. Okay. So is this the ad? Yeah, this is pending under review. Where do I go under the campaign for? Where did my other campaign go? Oh, okay. Am I filtering? So there's this campaign. Initial pixel pieces search campaign. Oh my goodness. Pause ad groups due to similar segments removal. Okay, I don't know what that means. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. I just want to see where I can go in and maybe look at like the budget. Is it customer acquisition? Like I know for sure somewhere I put in no more than 50 cents a click. Is it under additional settings? Where the hell is it? Oh, this is really bid strategy type. Okay, here we go. Set. Okay, so it's set at 50. Okay, so we're good. Okay. Shit. Okay. So I have a call now. I have my coaching. It's like a lunch and learn, a brown bag seminar for my coaching program for the entrepreneurship thing at the Propel Network. So I need to go to that today. So tomorrow we're gonna jump right back into this, I'm sure, and we're gonna see how this new Canada one goes to see if we have any issues that are showing up with this ad. Rolando, welcome. Hello. I have to leave now, so sorry. You just came in. So we're still plugging away with Google Ads, trying to figure out all the issues that we're having here with visitors coming from outside of the areas that we told them not to come in with, and dealing with trademark issues using the word WEBFLOW. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to jump back in tomorrow and we're going to see how the ads are doing. And then I'm probably going to clean up Mixpanel as well to see if we can figure out how to properly put our funnel into Mixpanel so we can track what people are doing within the application. And then we can kind of see how the ads are going, and maybe we can discern whether or not these people that are showing up through Google Ads are actual people as opposed to bots. So we'll try to put that in there. Did I have a problem with Mexico City? No, it's not even a problem with Mexico City per se. It's just that we said specifically to run the ads only in the US, Canada, and Mexico City. And if you look right here, if you look at the different countries where these visitors are coming from, they're not from obviously the US, Canada, or Mexico. They're coming from all over the place, so it looks to me like, I don't know, there's just something suspicious that's going on, and I'm not sure what it is. So we just need to figure that out. I don't know exactly how to figure this out yet. So we're gonna see what we can do. Anyways, I do need to run. I got to go, so I'm late for this meeting. But I'll be back here tomorrow for another stream. So thank you so much for joining. Much appreciated. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.